How to create a sentiment matrix chart in Google Sheets. Introduction to sentiment matrix chart. Search for sentiment matrix chart. Then select it. Select the sheet holding your data. Select metric column. Select dimension columns. Click on the Create Chart button. Sentiment matrix chart is successfully created. How to configure a chart. Sentiment matrix chart data requirements. You need 2 columns of categorical data to create a sentiment matrix chart. Categorical data definition: it describes a characteristic or a category of data. It takes on values that are names or labels. Categorical data is also called qualitative data. You need 1 column of numerical data to create a sentiment matrix chart. Numerical data definition: it is in the form of numbers and is numeric in nature. It can be counted or measured, and can be arranged in a logical order. Numerical data is also called quantitative data. Important: sentiment matrix chart will only accept data in columns as shown in the image on the right. Search for sentiment matrix chart. Then select it. Select the sheet holding your data from Sheet Name dropdown. Note: Header Row checkbox is checked because data contains header row. Select Metric Count. Select Dimension Topic. Select Dimension Sentiment. You can set row range using the slider, or manually set value in Start Row and End Row text boxes. Currently, we will select all rows. When all required selections have been made, the Create Chart button will become active. Click on the Create Chart button. Sentiment matrix chart is successfully created. In this example, you will see survey results for topics like customer experience and product quality, split into positive and negative responses. Now, let's look at a different dataset on this chart. Here, we are looking at sales broken down by product category and customer class. Select the sheet holding your data from Sheet Name dropdown. Select Metric Sale. Select Dimension Category. Select Dimension Customer Class. Click on the Create Chart button. Sentiment matrix chart is successfully created for this data as well. Whether you are analyzing survey responses or tracking business performance, the sentiment matrix chart has you covered. How to edit a chart. Click on the Edit Chart button. Click on the chart header pen to edit the properties. Then enter the header text. Click on the Apply button. Click on the Legend Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the Box section to change the color of the box. Click on the Apply button. Similarly, change the color of all the boxes. Click on the Save button. How to export a chart. Click on the Export button to export chart in SVG, PNG, JPG, or PDF. The exported chart file will appear in the Downloads folder. How to add a chart to a sheet. Click on the Add Chart to Sheet button to add chart image in Sheet. How to install ChartExpo add-on. Click on the Extensions menu. Install ChartExpo add-on. Enhance your charting experience with advanced charts. An add-on is software that adds new features into Google Sheets. How to install ChartExpo video is available in iCard, located in top right corner. Video link is also provided in the description below. Please click on More. Once the ChartExpo add-on is installed, it should display an Extensions menu. Click on the Charts, Graphs and Visualizations by ChartExpo. Click on Open submenu. Click on the Add New Chart button. Select a chart from ChartExpo chart list. We appreciate your business. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.